Why we're doing this. But we're gonna do this. Granny 3. Let's do this. We are escaping today. I don't even care. Like, we're escaping. This is gonna be, if I die all 5 days, I'm just gonna keep on recording. Probably gonna be like a 40-minute video. I don't care. There we go, about time. Are you recording? Granny's frozen! Hey. What the heck are you doing? Games, man. Let's pick up this lockpick. Put it through to unlock the door. Now in this game there are 2 ways to escape. You can escape through like the gate, the drawbridge, in the front, or you can escape via train. Now I want to take the train, but I make no promise. You don't see me. You are bitter old. Yeah, Grandpa has the shotgun in this one. It's pretty scary. How do you not see me? Why am I even scared of them? If they're that blind, they can't see me through this. Fuse? Well, I know what to do with that. The problem is, I gotta get all the way upstairs. There's Grandpa. He's always doing his own thing. Please tell me Grandma's not right here. Well, this door is locked, so that's a good sign. Well, that's done. Matches? I know where the matches go. I saw Grandpa go in here earlier, so Oh, there he is. Hi, Grandpa. Drop that there. Grandma, where you at? Grandmother. Okay, this is being so slow right now. Like, it keeps on glitching. Someone saw me. Oh, it was Grandpa. Where's Grandpa? Did I accidentally hit with just Grandpa? Grandma! Where is she? Seriously, what the heck? Never mind that yelling upstairs. Focus on the gate. Gosh, kids these days always getting so distracted. Okay, nothing. Grandmother? You don't pop out. Like, normally, I would have seen her like 18 times. What the heck? Oh, that kind of scared me. Why are you being so slow? Stinking game. 20 minutes later, I grabbed the stone. Who's that? That must have been Grandma. Oh, good. She is here. You're kidding me. You're joking. Oh, my goodness. Whew. That was close. Only if you're the one hiding. There's so much noise upstairs right now. I can barely concentrate on my game. So you guys try to ignore that. Oh, don't do that again. Oh, I'm smacking you with my weapons key. Slingshot. Where's Grandpa? Is he taking a nap? Dang it, I was really hoping he'd be asleep. Where'd he go? I want your shotgun, Grandpa. Oh, well, there's Grandma. Now I just wasted my stone to go get another one if I want to get Grandma. Oh, there's Grandma. Oh, I need that. Grandpa won't let me get it. That must have been close. Luckily for me, Grandpa has horrible aim. Like, unless you're standing perfectly still, he doesn't ever get you. There he is falling again. Come on, Grandpa. Here you are. Give me this. Boom! Gotta go get Grandma now. She's probably... Oh, she's still not awake. Bam! Now, I need this, but I don't have the shed key yet, but this goes in the shed. So I'm gonna go drop this by the shed. Now, I honestly have no idea where the shed key is. Okay, here's the plan. Says it like I have a plan. I don't really have a plan. Let's just go get some stuff. It's really hard when the game is based on hearing and you have a very loud family. See? Now let me crawl through the window. Nothing? It's just a crowbar. Oh my. Shed key. Look at that. Ask and you shall receive, am I right? Oh, we are almost out of here, baby. I just need... What the heck do I still need? Oh, yeah. I need the, Oh my gosh. What's in here? I don't need that. That's for getting out by train. I'm getting out by the gate. I'm sorry. I wanted to get out by the train, but it's just... It's not gonna happen. I'm sorry. Truly apologize. Well, especially if the handle is where I think it is. So look at this. Now I press this button. Boom! The gate's open. I need one more thing. And I think I know where that thing is, too. I don't know, though. I don't actually know where it is. One of the things that sets this granny aside from the others, especially, who was that? Where was that? Oh, found him. How is it Grandma can get me from like 8 miles away, but Grandpa can't even get me from right next to him? Well, place it. Okay, I was interrupted. No, it's not here. Oh man. Oh, well, now I have to rethink everything. Where was that? Who was that? Where and who? I don't even know. I didn't figure it out yet. Who the heck was that? Who was that? What's in here? What is this? The safe key. That could be where the handle wheel thingy is. I don't know what it's called. Don't judge me. I need to get the safe. Oh, hi. I'm here. I know you missed me terribly. While you were gone, I wasn't. Because I'm better than you. I am superior. There's a lot of things that are different from this one versus the previous two. One, you can go like full on outside the house. Can't do that in the others. Number two, the objects are glowing. So like, you pretty much have to be trying to miss them. Oh crap. They know where you are. If you have the teddy bear, they automatically know where you are, which is kind of stupid. Getting away. Now, what is Slenderina gonna give me when I drop this in her crib? I'm assuming it's her crib. I don't really know. Will I need it? Is the big question. She's kind of dramatic when she's giving you something. What is this? I don't know if I need that. I'm gonna leave that there because I actually don't think I'm gonna need that. I need one more thing. Just can't find it. I have like 3 different ideas of where it might be though. I need a couple of different objects. One, I need a shotgun. And I lost my train of thought, so I'm gonna stop talking. Completely forgot what I was gonna say. I'll never understand that generation's music. Okay. Let's go get my shotgun. Oh, I kinda need that. It's like a what do you need first situation here. I'm gonna grab the shotgun to take out the Granny and Gramps. First and foremost. Oh my gosh! Don't you do that to me. You almost gave me a heart attack. I almost died right here. Is she coming down here? So they must have tunneled through to this old train station. You do not see me in here. Who builds a train station next to 2 crazy old people's homes? This must be an old abandoned one. If you had any good eyesight whatsoever, you'd see me, Grandma. Look at, wanna show you this? Shoot. She's gonna get me. What? Oh, dang it. Oh, man. Grandpa's gonna have the shotgun back. That's the thing I don't like. Grandpa gets his shotgun. Am I still recording? Last time I wasn't. I was pretty mad about it. I apologize. Like I said about yesterday's videos. Apologize in advance for this being like 20 minutes long. I need one more thing. And I think I might know where it is. So let me grab the crowbar. See if I can make my way to the crowbar's room. Or where I need the crowbar. And see what I think is there is there. You figure out what that means. I'm done talking. I don't have my shotgun anymore. What if it's in the trunk? If it's in the trunk. Nope. Oh, it might be up there where the crow is. We'll find out. First, we're gonna try the, Now, I really hope that this thing doesn't cut off part of my video again. Because if it did, I'm actually gonna be mad. Hurry up before them creeps find me. My life is on the line. Look, there's a full-on elevator in this one. It's not really an elevator, but you use it as one. Any old people? Let me out! Please be in here. Yes! This is the last thing I need! Problem is, Grandma obviously would have heard that. Yep, there she is. Luckily for me, I can escape right through here. Oh my god. If I get out right now? Seriously? Am I out? Unless one of them sees me. Holy crap, I did it. I did not think I'd get out that fast. I had a feeling I'd get out, but that was actually pretty quick. Oh my gosh. It took me like 40 minutes earlier today. I practiced a little bit. Well guys, like this video, subscribe for me getting out. And if you're not down with that, I got 3 words. That's waterfall forever.